There are several reasons why comic creators might choose to put their comics on a centralized website. First, visibility. A centralized website can attract more readers than an individual creator's website alone, particularly if it has a large following or a reputation for showcasing quality work. By putting their comics on a centralized website, creators can reach a wider audience and potentially gain more fans. Second, community. A centralized website can also foster a sense of community among comic creators and readers. By sharing their work on a common platform, creators can connect with each other, get feedback on their work, and build relationships with their readers and other creators. Third, convenience. For readers, a centralized website can be a convenient way to discover and read comics from a variety of creators without having to visit multiple websites. This can be particularly useful for readers who are looking for new or niche content, as a centralized website can provide a curated selection of comics that might not be easy to find elsewhere. Fourth, monetization. Some centralized websites also offer creators the opportunity to monetize their work through advertising, subscriptions, or other means. This can be an attractive option for creators who want to earn more money from their comics but don't have the resources or expertise to set up their own monetization system. Overall, a centralized website can provide a number of benefits for comic creators, including increased visibility, community building, convenience, and of course, monetization opportunities. This is why we here at FundMyComic.com have created a site as a virtual comic shop, so you can have a crowdfunding page or a storefront for your comic, game, collectibles, and a whole lot more. We hope to be a one-stop shop for fans.